Hi everyone, today I'm going to be unboxing iSteady Pro Hohem 3-axis handheld stabilizing gimbal. So here we go, we've got properly sealed and packed my favorite knife, which is I like to do my unboxing. I'm going to have to do with one hand because the other hand is I'm holding my phone, unfortunately. It's going to be not easy, but yeah, let's try with one hand. Unfortunately I have no stand for my phone, so there we go. I bought this on eBay, they're quite cheap. It's for my GoPro camera, because you know when you're filming, when you're making video, everything is shaking. I got GoPro 4, unfortunately not the 7 Black Series, where it's got already stabilization on the camera. So, oops, sorry. Let's see what is inside the box. What we got? I paid about 62 quid. Here we got a nice box. We've got in that package, let's see, compatible with GoPro Hero series and various kinds of action cameras, personalized para setting, virtual joystick calibration, etc. in the app, motion time lapse, and built-in power bank. So you can charge your camera as well at the same time. A nice little pouch where you can keep your gimbal. Right, what we've got in here in the pouch? Well, we've got some instructions and got some get more tutorial videos, scan code, see how to use it. Okay, I never used this before, so yeah, I'm very keen to try use it, check it, and finally get those videos nice and stabilized. Right, so this is instructions. Got silicone gel, do not eat, get tripod stand, which is cool. So you can put your gimbal and do your time lapse. Then you got the cable, USB cable to charge your gimbal, and wow, feels kind of solid. Interesting, is it charged or not? Oh, it looks like it's charged. Alright. Wow. It's vibrating. I don't know, I need to do a proper calibration first before I start using it, because I need to check first how to use it. Yeah, so that's that. Off. Right, I'm gonna figure out how to use it and then try it myself. So here you go. Yeah, I think that's pretty cool little thing, and thanks for watching my videos. Please don't forget to subscribe, and thanks very much. Bye.